Hello! In this video I will show how to use SwarmDebugging on Pharo. Here we have a new Pharo 8 image instance. First, we need to add SwarmDebug through Metacello from this script here. Once loaded, we must edit the properties about the working context. To do this, we open the SwarmDebugging settings window here. After this, we are ready to debug. As an example, I will use the prototype game Golgotterath. We must add the game through the Metacello script, here. Then we must start the game by debugging it, from this code here. Debug it. Note, all scripts used are in the description of this video. Then we perform some steps from debug, step into, step over. Let's step. Stepping 2. Then we can see the performance bug through the view tool here. Let's refresh. We select the task and project name here. Task 1, test project. Then the developer, me. Then we select the debug session and click in load view. Here are the session.